No, wrong way.
What? No, it shouldn't matter.
No, now I'm looking at your helmet.
Oh!
Should it be like that, or like flip this way, or does it not matter?
Other way. Yeah.
Alright, next problem.
This is gonna be worse.
Can you see?
No.
Alright, okay. Do you want me to get a picture of what you actually look like with, like, this?
Do I look like an idiot?
Kind of. Can you see at all?
Yeah. No.
No?
No.
Alright.
But we'll try it anyway. I'm up for anything, right?
Do you want to switch sides?
No! I don't think I shot. I did? Go. Oh, stop. You got this. Wouldn't it be funny if it hit the camera and like you see it? All right, that's good. I think we should go in.
Right.
Watch it.
All right, let's see how this is.
Do me, or like undo me.
1 sec.
Oh my God, I'm not cross-eyed. Anything?
Is that always there?
Yeah, it's always been there.
All right. Should I just take this off your mask?
Yeah.